So remember the technique we did before. We here in that side, and we try force somehow, you know, use the arm, the lapel. We try forcing for that side to start attack the back. Now today we start go like when he start face me. Okay, I have like the control here. He start push me and start face me, and I feel like I start to lose the position here. Remember we did before the top spinning, when you use just the elbow here and turn around to control again. So you go use the top spin again, but our goal this month is take the back. So you go for the same idea to take the back, okay? So he start go here, when he start turn, I give to him space and see how I do the top spin again, the same thing. I move, but when I move here, more fast possible, I want to put that knee. Remember the key for take the back is that knee higher here. Okay, so the practice is how to do the top spin and put already the leg in his back. Okay, the seat belt, the same thing, don't change anything, okay? Seat belt, the leg here. If I able to control the hips, I already go here, but probably he's go like really close like that way. So I'm not able to put the hook, so I don't try put the hook. I just control the hips, and now I can start lift him, take my leg, and take the back. Okay, the same way we take before. So basically is this, start to move, here. See how I go like, I stop him a little bit. See how low I still here? Because I don't want his turn too fast. Because his turn too fast, I lose the position. Okay? I go here in the top. I still stop him, but he's still forcing. And I just change here. See how my weight going. Change, move. My leg goes. Connect. And go here. So if he's going to keep going that direction there, yeah, just try to follow, lift. Oh, start move. Start already back. Okay, first do it slow so you can feel how you move your body, how you have your balance, the pressure, and after you start go with a little bit speed. Because in that situation, the top spin need to be fast, okay? But do it slow first, because you start seeing less movement possible, okay? You don't want to do too much movement. So try one time, try to be more simple possible. Try figure out for yourself how more simple possible I able to top spin in him, okay? Let's go here, move, and now right on there. The seat belt and the knee, okay? So take the partner, that's good.